Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel and another unboxing of an Ellowyne Wilde doll. This would be my third doll in this series, and she is called Wistful Red, and I don't remember her release date. I want to say it was like 2015 or something. I could be completely wrong. I will try to look that up for you. But yes, she is a doll I got from a seller on eBay at a fairly decent price, considering these dolls seem to be going up in price astronomically since I decided to start collecting them. Funny how that happens. Alright, come on girl, get out of there. Alright, so she came in two other boxes, a shipping box around another shipping box, and I didn't want to show you the I know that's like watching paint dry, like right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, got it. All right. Oh my gosh, look how red. Yeah, so she's wearing a completely red outfit. She's got dark hair, and the hair looks like it's sort of crimped. She's giving me a 1980s vibe, which is one reason she appealed to me. And she also has the inset eyes and the actual lashes versus painted eyes and painted lashes. So that is something that I was looking for. And she looks good. She's supposed to be new in box. She's got these cute tin shoes. Let me twist her head a little bit. So pretty. Alright, so I am going to take her out of here. I don't think I'm going to show you the whole little bit of undoing her. These dolls actually aren't super difficult to get out. They have ribbon that ties them in, and the ribbon's kind of knotted and wrapped a few times, and it's got around the neck, the waist, and the feet. She is flat-footed, like my white on right doll. So, and she has a pedicure and a manicure, and I don't know if she has pierced ears or not. I guess we'll find out. All right, so let me get her out of here, partially out of here at least, and I'll be right back. All right, I got her out of the back of the box, and her accessories are here as well. And she has her little poetry postcard. It says, "In wistful red I am longing, melancholy, not belonging, dreamy, pensive, and nostalgic. But my outfit stands out, no doubt about it. A thoughtful stroll I'll take today and contemplate the world away." So very cute. She's all in red. I'm really hoping her body is not stained because red, you know, could stain the bod. But look how beautiful her face is. I love these eyes, the inset eyes. I mean, the painted ones are really nice, but, you know, I have to say I am partial to the inset eyes. These are beautiful blue. I think they're glass. You can see the detail of the lashes. She's got a nice face up. It's, you know, her lips are very red, but she's got a subtle blush. And yeah, let me go ahead and take her hairnet off here. Let's check out her hair. Ooh, nice. So it's a shorter hair than some of the other dolls, and it's super curly. I love that. It's got, to me, it looks crimped. You know, it reminds me of, like I said, of the days of crimping your hair. And not that people aren't still doing that, but it was a popular trend in the 80s, and this is what she reminded me of. The outfit, everything. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I off on that? But her hair it's actually surprisingly soft for how textured it is. And it is parted, it's kind of pulled over here, but then it's the parts over here. So that's nice because you can see her face, which her face is gorgeous. Oh, so there is a little tiny hole there. And a teeny tiny bit of a hole there. So, I mean, I think the idea is that the ears are kind of partially pierced, not all the way. And if you want to finish the job, you can do that. I don't know if I will or not. We'll have to think about that. I'll keep her as is for a while. she has some plastic wrap around her neck, which, in fact, okay, so she has a lot of plastic, so to protect her from this red fabric. Awesome. Okay. Oh, and she has stockings, too. So, again, to protect her, probably. She's got a double-layered dress. Well, this is nice. And here are her accessories. Like I said, she is flat-footed, so she has these cute red tennis shoes. Little high tops. Those are adorable. Look at those. How cute. And then, I'm not sure what this is. I think now that I see that her neck's all wrapped up, maybe it's supposed to be a choker? Like go around her neck? Ooh, no, because that won't fit. So it's got a ring, 2 jump rings, and a spring ring clasp on the end. Maybe it's a bracelet. I bet it's a bracelet. There you go. All right, yeah, so that makes sense. That's kind of cute. Alrighty. And she's got her Ellowyne Wilde tag. Yeah, I'm definitely smitten with the Ellowyne Wilde dolls by Tonner. I have fallen into the hole. And unfortunately, they are going up in price like every day practically. I even had a doll that I was getting ready to buy from a vendor on a, it wasn't an auction site, it was a different type of website. And I had planned on buying her. I was just waiting to get enough money. Then I decided, okay, now I'm going to go buy her. And I went over there and the price was up, had been jacked up to $135 more than originally it was. And that kind of made me not happy. So, but I'm really happy to get this girl. So let me take this plastic off and we can take a look at her bod here. I'll be right back. We'll be back. All right, here she is. I got all the plastic. She was wrapped big time. She had plastic, basically like plastic wrap and plastic over the plastic wrap all the way up her arms, her neck, her torso. Yeah, she had a lot of, I had to take all the clothes off for the most part to get the plastic off, which is good because she is not stained. Yippee-doo-dah-day. Super happy about that. And I did pull her leggings down and take a look, see at her legs and everything. Like I said, you can see there's some tights, some like pantyhose type things underneath, and they did the trick in protecting her legs from getting stained. So this is a little slip dress that's underneath the other dress. And you can see it's very detailed. It has a few snaps in the back and these little spaghetti straps. And yeah, it looks really cute on her. Here is the dress that goes over it. And this dress is pretty substantial. It's got, the top is lined with this pretty sparkly stuff. Again, this probably helps protect, well, it definitely helps protect its skin tone, so it helps protect from staining. Again, it has snaps. I hesitate to call it lace. It's kind of lacy looking, but then it has these little cutout pieces. So super cool looking, very unusual. And it's got elastic here. It's not super, like it pulled down over her, but it's not like super stretchy elastic. And then there's a belt. This belt goes around, so there's like a little, this is basically a ring. It goes around her bod, and then there's a little hook here that once it goes around, you tuck it in there, so it secures around her waist. So very interesting construction, I thought. And yeah, so let me get all of her stuff on her. She's so pretty. Let me get all her stock on her, and then we will take some photos. I'm so thrilled to have a third one of these dolls. They are, like I said, they're getting so pricey now. They're starting to get out of reach for me, and that kind of bums me out. But at least I have a few, and I'm enjoying them. So that's what's important. All right, be back.